we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of ecomoment dashcam front and rear. Consists of the following features. Dual camera simultaneous recording. ecomoment brings you the GT801 dual dashcam, which records video at up to Ultra HD, 4K, 3840x2160p, plus FHD, 1080p resolutions. It helps you read important details like road signs, vehicle number plates and more. To reduce blind areas, it has a front wide angle of 170 degrees and a rear wide angle of 160 degrees. This helps you retain and present evidence during unexpected circumstances like a collision. Superior night vision. Equipped with a Starlight night vision sensor and a 170 degrees ultra-wide 6-layer glass lens. The GT801 dashcam front and rear camera easily adapts to low light conditions, delivering clear and detailed footage even in the most challenging lighting situations. Enhanced safety and reliability. Even when the memory card is full, the ecomoment dashcam will continue recording with its loop recording feature. As soon as the G sensor detects a sudden collision, it locks and saves the collision video. The dashcam also has a 24-hour parking monitor available to record continuously for 24 hours with a time-lapse function in parking mode. Please note that a hardwire kit is needed. Wi-Fi and Smart App Control. Simply connect the GT801 car dashcam to your smartphone via Wi-Fi and use the vCar app on your iOS or Android device to view, playback, and manage recordings. You can also download and edit videos directly in the app. With just one click, you can easily share your travel moments and scenic views with friends and family. Advanced GPS functionality. The GT801 dashcam for cars features integrated GPS functionality, enabling precise tracking and playback of your driving routes on computers and mobile devices. The car dash camera monitors your speed, location, and route history effortlessly, offering additional peace of mind during your travels. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.